solar and wind companies got a refresher, they saw a ray of hope. After the Senate removed an excise tax on renewable energy projects from President Donald Trump's Tax and Dash spending bill, the bill, known as the Big, Beautiful Bill, passed the Senate with a narrow 51-50 vote, with Vice President J.D. Vance casting the tie-breaking vote. As a result, shares of solar companies like Sunrun, First Solar, and ENPH Energy rebounded. The proposed excise tax would have targeted wind and solar projects containing components made in China, sparking concerns among renewable developers that it could increase costs for wind farms and solar arrays. The removal of the tax was welcomed by Senator Ed Markey, a Democrat from Massachusetts, who hailed it as a positive development for the renewable energy industry. However, the bill still poses a threat to the industry, as it would phase out subsidies for wind and solar projects placed in service after December 31, 2027. Abigail Ross-Hopper, president of the Solar Energy Industries Association, criticized the bill, saying it would undermine America's manufacturing comeback and global energy leadership, leading to higher electric bills, factory shutdowns, job losses, and a weaker electric grid. The bill now heads to the House of Representatives, where Republicans are striving to meet a self-imposed deadline of July 4th. Despite the GOP's slight majority in the chamber, some lawmakers have expressed reservations over the bill's cuts to Medicaid and its overall cost. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.